Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Your Learning Space. This is English Winglish Part 2. Here we discuss pronouns and at the end of the video, I'll be discussing 5 new words. So let's start. Pronouns. Pronouns are the words that are used instead of nouns. They are used to avoid repetition of noun. मतलब ये वो words हैं जो noun की place पर आते हैं. For example, रूही plays hockey. रूही इज़ अ गुड प्लेयर. यहाँ जब हमने सेकेंड टाइम रूही यूज़ किया है, उसको अगर हम कट करके शी कर दें तो शी जो है वो प्रोनाउन होगा. रूही प्लेज हॉकी, शी इज़ अ गुड प्लेयर. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रोनाउन. प्रोनाउंस को हम दो पार्ट्स में क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं, डेफिनाइट एंड इनडेफिनाइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रवि हैज़ वॉन द गेम, ही इज़ वेरी हैप्पी. यहाँ ही प्रोनाउन है और वो रवि के लिए यूज़ हुआ है, मतलब देयर इज़ अ डेफिनाइट नाउन जिसके लिए ये प्रोनाउन आया है. सो ये डेफिनाइट प्रोनाउन होता है. नेक्स्ट में है समवन हैज स्टोलन माई पेन. यहाँ समवन प्रोनाउन है बट इसमें नाउन के बारे में तो कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा. सो यहाँ पर समवन इनडेफिनाइट प्रोनाउन. As we can see in the web chart, there are 8 kinds of pronouns: interrogative, personal, possessive, reflexive, emphatic, distributive, relative and demonstrative pronouns. And then we'll be discussing them one by one. So let's start. Personal pronouns. Personal pronoun is the noun used to replace proper nouns, that is particular person. There are 3 persons in the terms of grammar. First person is speaker, I. Second person is listener, here, you. While third person is the person being talked about, he, she, it. He is used for males while she is used for females. And also it is used for animals, infants and non-living things. Next up is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun replaces possessive adjective to avoid repetition of information that is already clear. Let us understand this with the help of an example. In the first sentence, pen is repeated again and again. So to avoid this repetition, we use possessive pronoun. So we'll say it like this: this pen is mine and not yours. Next is reflexive pronoun. These pronouns are the words ending with self or selves that are used when subject and object of a sentence are same. For example, I believe in myself. He completed his project himself. Here, I and myself in the first example are used to refer the same person, and he and himself in second example also refer to the same person. Interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask question. Let us take some example. Who. Who is used to ask question about the subject. Who are you? Who won yesterday? Next is where. Where is used to ask the place. Like, where are you going? Then next is which. Which is used to ask the choice. Which pen is yours? Next is whose. Whose is used to ask possession. Whose pen is this? Next we have demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns are used to point out something specific within a sentence. There are 4 types of demonstrative pronoun: this, that, these, those. This and these are used for objects that are near to us, while that and those are used for objects that are away from us. Also, this and that are used for singulars, while these and those are used for plural nouns. For example, if there are 3 books lying near me, so I'll say these are my books. Relative pronouns. It is a term given to words that are used to co-join 2 parts of a sentence. For example, the woman who called yesterday is my friend. The girl that we met in Paris has sent us a gift. Here, who and that are relative pronouns as they relate and co-join 2 parts of a sentence. Distributive pronouns. The pronouns which refers to person or things one at a time are called distributive pronouns. For example, you can drink either tea or coffee. Each of us bought the book. Here, either and each are examples of distributive pronouns. Emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns refers back to another noun or pronoun in the sentence to emphasize it. Some of them are herself, myself, itself, themselves, etc. For example, the queen herself went to invite them. Here, herself is used to emphasize that the verb is performed by the subject. Next up is vocabulary section. The first word here is LA. It means to pacify, मतलब किसी को शांत कराना. Second है nostrify, to adopt, अपनाना. Third है pseudo. Pseudo is anything which is fake or anyone who is fake. अब pseudo को हम यूज़ करते हैं pseudopodias जो कि अमीबा में होते हैं, false food जो कि उसको हेल्प करते हैं उसकी मूवमेंट में. नेक्स्ट है ब्रेक ऑफ एंड गिव राइज टू. ये दोनों ही फ्रेजल वर्ब्स हैं जो एक दूसरे के एंटोनिम्स हैं. ब्रेक ऑफ का मीनिंग होता है टू एंड अब्रप्टली, मतलब किसी चीज़ को एकदम से ख़त्म कर देना, while give rise to का meaning होता है to be origin of. That is it for today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you would have liked the video. If yes, then do hit the like button and share it with others. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, then do it now.